Hi, today I'm reviewing the Hada Labo cleansing oil. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time sponsoring ads or videos, so if you want to support the channel, check out nobusebeauty.com, join my Patreon community, or click on the links below. So this is almost finished, so I had to review it before I got to the bottom of it, although I'll probably be repurchasing this one anyway, So, thought it was time to finally get to this one. Okay, so they say this one is infused with hyaluronic acid and concentrated olive oil. This cleanser effectively rids skin of impurities and even waterproof makeup, while at the same time being gentle and non-abrasive, free from artificial colorings, mineral oils, alcohol, and fragrance. So it sounds like it's right up my alley, of course, with that. Okay, so my first criteria is packaging. No issues with the packaging. Like the packaging, although if the bottle were a little bit darker, it'd be fine, but it's fine. I can always find it in my cabinet, which is nice. And I don't know how to correctly pronounce Gokujyun. I'm sure I said that wrong, so correct me, somebody will, thankfully. Probably multiple people will correct me, and that's fine. I need all the practice I can get. Okay, there's no denatured alcohol. There's also no fragrance in it. It really has no real noticeable scent. It might have a little bit of a olivey scent. Just barely noticeable. I don't really notice much scent to it. The manufacturing location for this one is Japan, so no issues with that. So ease of use, so they recommend your face and hands should be dry before use. Take an appropriate amount on the palm of your hand, spread over your face, which should be dry, and gently massage to remove makeup, grime, impurities, and other unwanted substances on skin. Rinse well with lukewarm water and follow up with a second cleanse using a facial cleanser. I actually found I like using this in my morning routine. To be honest, I don't cleanse every morning, but if I have a night where I applied like a really thick sleeping mask, I do like to cleanse, or sometimes I'll just tone. But this one works really well. Just cleanse it in the morning. It doesn't dry it out at all. And then rinse and go. In the morning, I don't use a second step cleanser because this one feels, when it rinses, it feels pretty clean. So, although in my evening routine, I will use a second step cleanser. So, found I really like using it there. I like using it at night to remove makeup and things like that. So, very easy to use. No issues at all. Rinses quickly and clean. And yeah, just very easy. Nice cleansing oil to use. Okay, in terms of antioxidants and beneficial ingredients, so we've got olive fruit oil. I always love that all these brands use olive fruit oil. They don't want to use olive oil, that term, because that makes you think of cooking. This is my thinking. I could be totally wrong. But they always say olive fruit oil because that distinguishes it from like rubbing like olive oil all over your face, which the cooking olive oil is probably totally different than what they use for skincare. So olive fruit oil is great. It's an antioxidant. Contains polyphenols and vitamin E, also has nice hydrating benefits. Then we've got something untechnically called super hyaluronic acid, which is a variation of hyaluronic acid, but they change a little bit of the molecule structure with acetyl groups, and they modify it because apparently it has better moisture retention than the typical normal hyaluronic acid. So it's called super hyaluronic acid. Then we've got Hydroxypropyltrimonium Hyaluronate, which is another film-forming version of hyaluronic acid. And then we've got jojoba seed oil, which is an emollient and also has skin-protecting benefits. And then finally we've got BHT, which is a slightly controversial antioxidant preservative combo ingredient. So not a whole ton of beneficial ingredients. You're going to rinse it off anyway, so to be honest, I'll take all the good stuff in cleansers I can get, but to be honest, it's all going down the drain anyway. But you know what? If I can have some good things in there, might as well. So, no issues with that. In terms of cruelty-free status, Hada Labo is sold in China, mainland China, as of this point. So they're technically not cruelty-free as of now. Not sure what things are changing constantly regarding this. So I have a feeling maybe, because China's making some big efforts, so maybe at some point this will not mean that they are not cruelty-free. But as of today, that's what it means. In terms of performance, I really love it. It's very gentle. It doesn't leave a film feeling on the skin. A lot of cleansing oils and some makeup remover balms have a tendency to have a filmy feeling, or sometimes they have a squeaky clean feeling, which means your skin is stripped. This one doesn't do either. It's really nice, rinses clean. Your skin feels nice and hydrated when you rinse it off. It doesn't feel dry. It doesn't feel parched. It doesn't feel like it has a residue. Works well as a one-step cleanser as well as a second-step cleanser. In terms of acneogenic ingredients, we have ethylhexyl palmitate, olive fruit oil, and jojoba seed oil. So keep that in mind. Although most of it does get rinsed off, it's still, if you have very acneogenic skin, it's still, some of those ingredients can be problematic. So, okay, in terms of price, this is a full size, 200 milliliters, which is about 7 ounces. Retails for about $16, although if you check out all the sites, sometimes you can get it for like $9 if it's on sale. Makes it pretty affordable. And a bottle, if you use it once a day or twice a day, lasts several months. In terms of the it factor, I really love this one. It's great, it's gentle, it's fragrance-free, it's affordable. Seems to be one that works well for a very great variety of skin types, so I really love this one. It's definitely a repurchase. I really have had a good luck with a lot of the Hada Labo cleansers. I've had great luck there. I have some very gentle and good for sensitive skin as well as other skin types. So anyway, with a 10 being a perfect score, I gave this one a 9. If they were cruelty-free, this would have been a 10 out of 10 and the fires would go off. Maybe. If cameraman does that, I don't know. But anyway. So, I'm interested in hearing from you guys if you've had a chance to try this one yet or not. And if you have, what your thoughts are. So definitely leave a comment. Love hearing from you. The search for a good cleansing oil is... I'm always searching for something, but this one seems to be the one that works the best. So, I don't know. Anyway, leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.